Hey, what's going on, everyone? I am back. Today's August the 13th, 2022. Bed Bath & Beyond, the short squeeze potential. I did a video just a day ago, waiting to see if the market would be able to close above $12, because I told you if it does, then I'm going to come back in and do a prediction. And pretty much the short squeeze is still on. So I'm going to do a quick video right here into the market in Bed Bath & Beyond to show you all how high I think the market's going to go. Because the market is still bullish. All right, so whatever one tells you about Bed Bath & Beyond, always come back and verify what they said with the price, because this represents the money and where the money is moving. All right, so if you guys want to join me, go ahead and hit me up. You join by hitting the like button, sharing, also subscribing here to the channel. Tap the bell notification as well, because I want you all to participate with me as we continue to move throughout the stock market, finding these opportunities to where we can play and actually win while everyone else is scared. Right? A lot of these other YouTubers out here on these YouTube streets haven't been conducting their stocks to buy now videos, or we're going to the moon type videos anymore, because that's the only thing that they push. Now, for me, understanding how the charts work, we're able to get in and get out even when the market is in a downtrend. We've been placing price predictions to where we're looking for the market to run up. We grab the profitability and we move on to the next play. See, we're not here to get married to these stocks. A lot of these other YouTubers out here want you to be married for 5 years. They want you to be married to these stocks for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, not knowing that you might get a divorce and that these stocks may crash on you within that time frame, to when you could have utilized that money sooner to make more money and recycle. Right? When you keep your money locked up in such a long play, you are really doing a disservice to the money. One thing that I want everyone to understand about money is that it has no purpose being still. Money has to move. It is the energy that costs the transactions for people who win to those who lose. Okay? Money is meant to be utilized to bring back more money. Period. That's it. Is used to conduct commerce, to where someone is getting a benefit, product or service, and the recipient on the other end is getting the money to where they can go back and do it again and invest and do it more often, to where they can increase their business and the consumer gets the benefit of the product or the service. Money is that medium. This is the same thing as the stock market. The people who are playing in Bed Bath & Beyond right now are placing their money to make more of it. And when the market resembles that, then we already know that pretty much the stock is going to go up. That is why I'm here today. So join me. Let's do this. So check this out. Did a video yesterday, and I was telling you all that I was looking for the stock to go up in Bed Bath & Beyond, but I wanted the market to break above $12, right? We opened yesterday in the market in Bed Bath & Beyond at $11.04. So throughout the trading day, I want to show you all this on the 5-minute chart. Okay. Here it is right here. This is where the market started. Okay. In Bed Bath & Beyond. And the market just trended up the whole day. You guys can see it. And it's stationed right here at the close above $12. See, the market in Bed Bath & Beyond, this is how you can tell where the buyers are at. This is so easy and it's so simple. I just don't understand why people make this so complicated. I told you that $12 was my spot, right? That the market in Bed Bath & Beyond needed to hold, that they needed to go above and trade. And look at how high the buyers still stepped in. They actually kept price from falling below $12.25, which still tells me that this overall market is still bullish in Bed Bath & Beyond. It's just that simple. So I want to show you all the weekly chart too, because all of this volume that came in last week in Bed Bath & Beyond, let me go ahead and show it to you here real quick. All this volume, right, tells us how active the money was moving. Like a whole lot of money was moving through this market in Bed Bath & Beyond just last week. And for the market to close up here towards the high of the bar, I'm still bullish. At least from a weekly perspective, I'm going to give the market that much time to move up. Okay. Now, You guys can see that we got some rejection in Bed Bath & Beyond right here around $13.50. So let me draw this on a chart because I want us to use this as a reference, because in the background of the chart, going here, you guys can see back in October of 2021, the market held $13.43, 45 cents as support, even all the way back here. Okay, it was acting as restriction in August of 2020. So we are at a crucial point in the market in Bed Bath & Beyond, period. Now, with all of this volume this go around, with the market in Bed Bath & Beyond closing at the high of the bar, that tells me that that $13.45 level isn't going to be a problem for the market to break up above, and that the next likely area is going to be here around 15. That's the next area. But given the amount of volume and the spread of that weekly price bar, I'm looking around 16 to like $17 that the market in Bed Bath & Beyond can move towards. Let me see this on a 2 weeks chart. Okay, so even here on a 2 weeks chart, look at this spread. Like, that's fantastic. How strong that particular market is in Bed Bath & Beyond. For it to go in the last 2 weeks, it opened at $5 and it closed at 13. Fantastic. The market is up 157% in the last 2 weeks. In the last 2 weeks. And needless to say that they look like there's still some gas in the tank for this particular market in Bed Bath & Beyond. Okay, so let me go ahead and do this real quick. I'm going to look for the stock to continue to run up in Bed Bath & Beyond. Okay, we're still in an uptrend as well, which shows us how bullish this particular stock is. Okay, now let's try to figure out how low this market in Bed Bath & Beyond cannot go below before we have to switch. Okay, because I also want us to understand that there will be times to where the market will go down, but if it doesn't go below $10, right, we're going to continue to play some strength here into the market in Bed Bath & Beyond. Now, I told you that that first area price target is going to be here around 14. Okay, that's 16% movement higher, right? 16%. That's the first spot that we would be willing to take some profitability out of this play. That gives us almost 16%. We'll take it. Now, from a 2 week perspective, okay, we can see the market in Bed Bath & Beyond run up here towards like $17. That's 31.25%. Because we can definitely see that market move that high, given the spread that we've seen over the last couple of weeks. Okay, so yes, I'm still bullish into the market in Bed Bath & Beyond. Is the strength still here? Yes, it is. The market is reflecting that the market is not done with this move higher. So I want us to be positioned. I want us to be prepared for us to come in and get off of this play, get a little bit off here. So I'm done. It's your turn. What do you all think? Will we continue to see the market in Bed Bath & Beyond continue to trend higher, or will we see the price get rejected right here now and the market begin to come down, right? So I don't want you all to be scared and nervous if we do see the market in Bed Bath & Beyond come down, okay? Because if we see the price in Bed Bath & Beyond come all the way down here, right, and we continue to see the buyers hold this ascending line, that still tells me that the market's going to go up. Okay, the only way that I would say we would need to let this idea go is if we see the market break that, just like that. Okay, the market breaks that trend line. Okay, so that is it. I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts about Bed Bath & Beyond, and where do you think the market is going to go. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.